Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at using some of the 6 fundamental foundational movements that we have here in G&B. Now those are, we have a push, we have a press, we have a pull, we have a squat, we have a rotate, and then we also have a locomotion. First off, for our push, we're gonna do a Spiderman, and we're gonna be doing a squat, which is a Sumo Frogger. Then we're gonna do a press. I'm going to be doing a baby Frogger stall. And then for our rotate, then we're gonna be looking at a 3-point bridge, and then the end of this circuit that I'm going to be doing is going to be a reverse row. I'm gonna set up my phone so that I'm going for 45 seconds today for one round. And again, this is gonna be 5 movements. So push, squat, press, rotate, and pull. I'll talk you through it. And hey, we're just gonna get right into it. So first off, we have got the Spiderman. 3, 2, 1. So in this case, I'm gonna show just a couple variations of the Spiderman when I'm doing this, so that you can go at a level that's gonna be good for you. Notice that I'm not going all the way down just yet. Now I'm gonna start and gradually show some variations of this as I go all the way down. Now my leg is floating. So many different ways that you can actually do this to get in this push as you're performing at a level that's good for you. And so once again, if you can only go down just a little bit, that's perfectly fine. Make sure that you're keeping your elbows in, that you're breathing naturally when you're performing this. Typically I would go to the end of the buzzer. But anyway, next up we've got the Sumo Frogger. This thing's gonna kill me. Sumo Frogger, starting our sumo stance. And we're gonna place our hands down, load, stay here trying to push my knees out. As I do this, this is my squat today. And today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go backwards. So now, I also have the element of pushing away from the ground. And so it's not just a squat, but I'm also getting into some good straight arm strength work when I'm working on this, along with the legs, really focusing on going as deep as I can, pushing my knees out, loading the hands, loading the arms. Focus on going at a level that's good for you. Next up, we have the baby Frogger stalls. I'm gonna show you the full movement and then break it down for you. So I have my knees together when I'm doing this. I jump in and I catch in a bent arm stand. Now, if you can't do that, you simply do this. Load, hop, load, hop. You might not even be able to go all the way down. Might just be load, hop, load, hop. Then you can start working as you get the strength to be able to go higher, holding this, really focusing on that pressing strength. Make sure that you don't smack your head. Okay, next up we have rotate. So I'm gonna do the 3-point bridge. Starting here, follow my thumb up over, side to side, pushing down and through the ground, reaching up and over. And this time, because I want to focus on the rotation, I could even go to the inside. Well, inside meaning here underneath me. Further working on my rotation as I push my hips up as high as I can into the air, pushing down and away with my hand. I'm rotating my elbow pit out so I get this nice rotation of the shoulder as I rotate my body from side to side. All right, last one is the reverse row. Now, I'm using rings. If you don't have that, you can actually use a table or some chairs at home. If you're using the edge of the table, focus on pulling the elbows down, chest up. This way, Same with chairs. I have the ring, so I'm gonna rotate in. So it becomes almost like a chin up. I was rotating my arms as I pull up as high as I can. Could even hold at the top. Another variation of that. Thing is for each round, feel free to change things up to, you know, keep it fun. Keep it fresh. Always work at a level that's gonna be good for you. All right, so that completes that circuit. Now, that's just a quick example of something that you can do that you do at home. And again, the cool thing about this is that you can work at a level that's good for you. You know, I only did 1 round, but you can do 2 to 3 rounds if you'd like. You can start off, for example, kind of breathing hard. You can start off at a higher level of the movements and then gradually decrease the level of those movements for each round. And actually completing up to like 5 rounds if you wanted to. Anyway, this is all up to you. This is just an example. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think about it. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Check out some of our other videos. And hey, have fun.